This is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 Renault Trafic stock on the 6800. This ran from the 1st 2015 to the 4th 2022. It has an R9M 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the R9M 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight, left-hand door mirror, left rear door, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand taillight, left hand and left rear door, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, heater AC controls, manual gear shifter, touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,